Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm really excited for today's video. I'm going to share with you guys a few items that I got from Ana Luisa, a jewelry company, as well as Nordgreen, which is an accessories watch company. And I'll talk about these brands as I'm going through this video. This video is sponsored by Ana Luisa, and it is in collaboration with both Ana Luisa and Nordgreen. So I was sent the items that I'm going to mention in this video, and I wouldn't share anything with you guys on this channel if it wasn't something that I truly loved. And so Ana Luisa is marketed as an affordable, high-quality jewelry line. And when I first got these pieces, I really wasn't sure what to expect from their quality. If you've ever purchased earrings or jewelry from like Madewell or similarly priced brands, I feel like the quality is not that great. A lot of the times when I take like the earrings off the packaging, like off the little backing, the post will already bend like before I've even put it in my ear. But that was absolutely not the case with these earrings. They were the pair that I have on, these were quite hard to get off the packaging, but they didn't bend. The posts, you know, were intact. Just really amazing quality overall. Their pieces start at $39, and I just think for the price point and the quality that you're getting and the fact that they do use recycled materials, it's really an amazing brand. All right, so the first item I'm going to show you guys from Ana Luisa are these pearl drop earrings. I think this is, I forget the exact name of these earrings, but I'll have all of the information for the products I'm mentioning down in the description box below. I will also have a discount code and an affiliate link that you guys can use down below if you want to get a discount off your order. But these, I think it's called the Nuria pearl drop earrings. I can't remember the exact name, like I said, so I'll have it down below. But these ones are so pretty and dainty. I've been looking for a pair of pearl drop earrings for a long time, and these were just perfect. They're basically a like kind of small to mid-sized gold hoop with an organic pearl at the end, and they're just so gorgeous. You can see that I'm just wearing them with like a simple cami today, and I honestly think they would work with pretty much anything. Like they are a great everyday earring. I've been wearing them just at home. I know it sounds ridiculous, but yes, I've been wearing them at home, just around the house. I just love how they just make me feel a little bit more pretty. The second pair of earrings that I got, these are their Astrology Hoop earrings. That's not the exact name. Again, I'll have the product link down below, but I love these as well. They come on a thin, delicate hoop, and then at the end of at the bottom of the hoop, it has like a little gold charm drop with your astrology sign on it. It comes in all of the signs, and so the one that I have here is a Capricorn, and I just absolutely love these. I like to wear hoops on a daily basis, and I didn't have anything in this like smaller, delicate size, and I kind of strayed away from this initially because I just felt like it was too plain for my style. But when I saw these with like this little extra dangly charm on it, and because it's kind of like personalized to me, like my sign, I just thought that was really special, a really nice extra touch to something that's otherwise like too minimal, and I just absolutely love this. These are a really great everyday earring. If you don't want something as like feminine or, you know, kind of out there as these pearl ones, I think these astrology earrings make a really great everyday earring. Okay, so the last item that I picked up from Ana Luisa is their Puffy heart necklace. This one still has the tag on it. I took it off and then I put it back on because I just wanted to show you guys. Their packaging is so cute. I love the pink with like the black lettering, and the font is just really adorable. I don't know, it just reminds me of like vintage French chic or something. It's just really cute. So this is the necklace. It's on a kind of delicate gold chain, and this is, you know, it's not like a traditional like gold chain like the kind that I have on, but this kind of has like, I don't know how to describe it. It's more of like a chain link that you can see, and then at the end of it there's a little heart. There's a little puffy heart charm, and it's just so cute. I thought this would look really good like layered with other necklaces, not this one, but like other chain necklaces, and it would just look really great even on its own with like a white t-shirt. Super cute. I really like pieces that that have like a special little like feminine twist to them. So with these earrings I really liked the pearl, and then with the Capricorn earrings I just thought the little dangly charm was really cute, and then with this one the puffy heart is just, you know, something that's a little bit different from your standard gold chain necklace. What I really like about this necklace is that it is adjustable. There are 3 like chain links here that you can adjust. You can put it on the, you can make it shorter or longer depending on how you want to wear your necklace. Overall, I think the brand is really amazing. Their items are tarnish free. They're really high quality. They use really good materials like 14K gold, brass. They do use recycled materials, and so I think that's really great. I don't think I've seen that with a lot of the other popular, you know, jewelry brands that have popped up over the last couple of years. So I think that's really cool, you know, just to recycle materials. But overall, I love this brand. I think their pieces are really cute, really well made, and I think they're just really perfect for like everyday, exactly what their brand stands for. They're really affordable, high quality, everyday pieces. Like I said, I've been wearing these earrings really every day, and I just really love how they look, how they make me feel, also that they're made from like recycled materials. So I really like that about the company. So again, I will have these items linked down in the description box below if you are interested, and then I will also have my coupon code and my link down in the description box below as well. So go and check out Ana Luisa. All right, so the next brand that I want to talk about is a brand called Nordgreen. So they are a company based out of Copenhagen, and they describe their products as having a Scandinavian minimal design. So I know that there are a lot of these kind of like minimal watch companies out there like Daniel Wellington, Movement. I really wanted to try out Nordgreen after looking into them for a couple of reasons. First is because of these interchangeable watch straps, and I really liked their options. I just thought the quality on these were really nice, and the options were really pretty as well. And then the other reason is that the designer for Nordgreen is actually the same designer for the well-known brand Bang & Olufsen. So I thought that was really cool. I really loved the different styles that they had for the watch faces. Now the one that I have here, this is in the style Native. I think this is one of their like, I don't know, original or classic styles, but I got it in the smallest watch face size, which is 32 millimeter, and I got it with this kind of like cognac brown strap. It's really pretty. I don't have anything super classic like this, and so yeah, I just wanted to get something that was really classic. I thought it would be really cute for fall, and then I also picked up two watch straps. So the first one that I got is a white one, and then the other one that I got is this kind of pink leather one. So they're both leather. All three of these are leather actually, but they also have like gold mesh straps, other colors as well, like silver, rose gold. They have like navy leather straps. Ton of different options. I just think that they're really cute. So in terms of the watch itself, I feel like the watch is pretty good quality. I'm not usually a huge watch wearer, but I just thought this one was so cute and so classic. The strap comes off really easily. There's like this little like you just push it over. I don't really know what to call this. Yeah, you push it over and then you just pop it out. And then when you put one in, I really love this pink watch strap. You put it in, you just put one side of the hinge in, and then you snap the other side into place, and it just like hooks. So it's super cute. I just love the different options you have with this. I think you can style it so many different ways. Look how cute the pink one is, guys. I just think it is so cute. I chose a white strap and this pink strap for the warmer months. So for like summer and spring, I just thought this was like a really cute addition to any outfit. I don't think it looks that great with this cami. I would probably wear it with the white strap, but just very minimal design, a really good quality. They do advertise themselves as being sustainable. I know a lot of companies are doing that. The information provided by a lot of these companies is not that thorough. You need to do your own research. I don't think Nordgreen does promote itself as a sustainable brand. I can't say that they are truly sustainable. As for the packaging, the felt inside in here in the box is made out of recycled plastic water bottles. So I thought that was kind of cool. And then as for the carton itself, it is FCS certified. So when something is FCS certified, it means it's certified by the Forest Stewardship Council. Basically what that means is that the wood that's used in the material or in the end product is meets the requirements of the Forest Council stewardship. I'm not 100% sure what the requirements of the FCS are. I haven't looked that deeply into it. But again, with these companies who tout themselves as sustainable, you know, including Ana Luisa, I think you really need to do the research yourself and you know, see whether you think that they meet your expectations of sustainability, or whether it's that they're just saying they're sustainable in order to you know, market themselves. But all in all, I really love the brand. I really love the product. I think that even though there are a lot of minimal watches out there, Nordgreen is a little bit different in terms of their designs. And then also, I just, you know, I love I just love all of the options they offer. Very classic, very minimal, very timeless, and then also feminine. Like the watch strap is really delicate and dainty, and so is the watch face. And overall, I just think they're a great company. If you are looking for a watch, if you're looking for a gift, I know like Christmas is coming up, these watches from Nordgreen make a really, really great gift. All right, guys, so that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. I've definitely seen these two brands, Nordgreen and Ana Luisa, around Instagram a lot. So if you've seen these brands around and you've always wanted to try them, I hope this video gave you a little bit of insight into these brands. Again, I will have my affiliate links and discount codes linked down in the description box below, as well as all the items that I mentioned in today's video. So if you are interested, make sure to head to my description box and check out those links. I will also link my Instagram and my blog down below. All right, guys, thank you again so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.